Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar teman-teman semua ya? Selamat datang kembali ke channel ini. Baiklah, pada video kita kali ini kita akan memakeover dinding di belakang ini. Kita akan membuat sesuatu hal menggunakan tape ini ya. Check it out.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
teman-teman, ya seperti inilah hasilnya ya, karya kita membuat gambar menggunakan selotip. Ya, inilah kegiatan kita selama berdiam diri di rumah ya. Semoga bencana COVID-19 ini segera berlalu. Oke, by the way, terima kasih kepada teman-teman yang telah menyaksikan video ini ya. Jangan lupa dukung terus channel Karyawatology dengan cara menekan tombol like, subscribe, komen, dan share ke media sosial kamu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.